So for question number 14, I'm asked whether or not this is a function and I'm asked to give the domain and range. So do I know if this is a function or not? Well, a definition of a function is for each x that I input, I should only get one y. So for every x, do I get one y? Well, what I'm looking for is, do my x's repeat? Because if my x's repeated and my y's were different, it would mean that for the same value of x, I'm going to get a different y. So in this case, I only have one x for each y. So that means for every one x, I have one y. That means that it is a function. Now my domain, when I'm giving just coordinates, is going to be just the x's, just the x values. So I'm going to list them in order. So negative 3, 1, positive 3, 5, 10, and 11 are all of my x's. So that's my domain. My range is going to be my y values. So it's going to be 2, 5. Now I have two 5s, so I only list it one time. It's okay to have two y's. 6 and 7. That is my range. So you say, well, that was easy, but what's an example of something that is not a function? What if I had negative 3 instead of positive 3? If I have negative 3, what that's saying is when x is negative 3, I have two possible y's. Y can be 7 or y can be 5. Well, in that case, if I plug in negative 3 for x, it's going to give me either 5 or 7. I have two y's for the same x value. In that case, that would be an example of when this is not a function. So I hope you can see the difference between the two. We've done a lot of these in class, so I'm pretty sure it's pretty easy for you.